Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and safe at home. Yes, dear student. Yesterday I told you that we have completed our chapter number 7, that was aggregate demand, aggregate supply and related concepts. Okay, so many things we have studies in this chapter, and yesterday I told you we will discuss only numerical part of this chapter. So let's continue with the point. Yes, dear students. So the first question is, yes, find APC if income is rupees 1000 crore and consumption expenditure is 150 crore. Very simple question. You have to calculate APS only. Two things are given here, income and consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure means C. It means consumption is given here. Okay. So as we know that the formula is इनकम इक्वल्स टू सी प्लस एस. या तो हम अपनी इनकम को कंज्यूम करते हैं, दैट इज सी, या हम सेव करते हैं, दैट इज एस. ओके, सो नाउ पुट द अबव वैल्यूज इन दिस फॉर्मूला. इनकम इज 1000 given, already given in the question, so put income equals to 1000. See, consumption is already given, consumption expenditure means 750, so just put consumption 750. Okay, and plus s, we have to calculate savings here. So now 1000 minus 750 equals to s, that is 250. Clear? We have calculated saving here. So now we have savings, we have consumption already given, income already given. So with the help of income and consumption, we calculate saving here. So now put the formula for APS. So the simple formula for APS, average propensity to save, equals to S upon Y, total saving upon total income. So now total saving we have calculated here 250, income already given in the question, that is 1000. So now by dividing the both values, APS equals to 0.25, that is given here. So beta, this is the very simple question. You can solve easily these kind of question for 4 marks. Okay, as I told you, some students are asking, मैम क्या ये पक्का आएगा? Yes बेटा, 6 mark question derivation question बिल्कुल आएगा, and 4 mark question भी बिल्कुल आएगा ही आएगा. Okay, because there are the 10 marks numerical question. First 6 mark question was the national income. With 3 methods you have studies, and now this is your 4 mark question. Clear, student? So very easy. Now proceed for the second question. Find minimum consumption and total consumption when S function means saving function, equals to S equals to minus 100 plus 0.5 Y, and Y equals to 1500. It means 3 things are given here. Minimum savings given minus 100, MPS given, that is 0.5, and Y is given. Income is already given. Beta, saving function means, as you know the formula, S equals to minus C bar plus MPS and Y. Clear? Okay, so minus C bar, that is 100, MPS 0.5, Y equals to 1500. Okay, so now we can calculate minimum consumption when income is 0. Now let's continue. When income equals to 0 and C given, suppose 30. So what is the saving here? I think you can calculate, as we discuss above, income equals to C plus S. Okay, और for calculating saving, so आपको क्या करना है, इनकम माइनस कंजम्पशन. इनकम में से वो पार्ट हटा दें जो आपने कंज्यूम किया है, सो बचेगा क्या, ओनली सेविंग, Y माइनस C. सो बेटा, in this equation, in this formation, what is saving here? Income is 0, consumption is 30. So now find S. Y minus C. It means 0 minus 30. 0 minus 30 means answer is minus 30. Clear? So it means the simple thing is that when income is 0, at 0 income, when consumption is given, that is minimum consumption, So savings also equals to minimum consumption, but they will be negative. They will be negative. So same here, C bar. Look at here, this is minus 100, but C bar always be positive because consumption never be 0, never be negative. So C bar equals to minimum consumption equals to 100. Okay, so now put the values in equation C. Yes beta, C bar plus MPCY. For the calculation of C, the formula is C bar plus MPCY. So put the value of C here, that is 100. Now from where we can calculate MPC? As I told you in the last video, yesterday you have completed that there is a relation between MPC plus MPS equals to 1. दोनों का टोटल 1 होता है. दोनों में से एक भी गिवन है तो दूसरे को इजीली कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. अब यहाँ MPS गिवन है, कितना है 0.5 इक्वल्स टू 1. ओके, सो नाउ MPC कितना होगा बेटा? MPC कितना होगा? MPC होगा आपके पास MPC इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस 0.5. Okay, 1 minus 0.5. So 1 minus 0.5 means 1 minus 0.5 means 0.5. You can calculate. अगर दोनों में से एक भी गिवन है तो 1 में से माइनस करके आप सेकंड को कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Okay, so now when MPS is given here, MPS is given here 0.5. Now we calculate 1 minus 0.5. So answer is 0.5. Y is 1500. Now 100 plus multiply 0.5 with the 1500, that is 750. So ultimately your answer is 850. Answer is 850. You can see in the bottom. Okay, this is your second question. Okay, so what given in this question beta? So here are the two things were given, that income 1500 and saving function is minus 100 plus 0.5. तो इस जो for starting that is minus C bar, but you can calculate C bar as positive form always. Okay, yes. Now put the value in the consumption function, or when you put the value in consumption function you can easily calculate the answer C. Clear? Okay beta. So now continue with the next point, and our next point is third question. Here, yes, find S and APS. Find S and APS from this given information when C bar is 100, MPC 0.5, Y is 2000. You have to calculate saving. Okay, then APS. So we will calculate both the things as we calculate APS. अगर हमने एक बार सेविंग निकाल लिया तो हम APS भी इजीली कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं by putting the values of S in the formula. So now C bar is 100, MPC is 0.5, income is 1000. So you can calculate C here from the given information. Yes beta, we know that C equals to Y minus S. Consumption कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? इनकम में से सेविंग हटाओ, the part is consumption. Okay, so no problem here. C is C bar plus MPCY. Okay, just keep this formula in your mind beta. So now put the value of C bar 100 which is given here. Second, MPC 0.5 given here. 2000 income is given here. Now 100 or 2000 multiply with 0.5, that is 1000. The total consumption is 1100. Total consumption is 1100. Okay, so now income is given, income is 2000, consumption is already given as you calculated 1100. So now saving is, अगर इनकम 2000 और आपने उसमें से 1100 खर्च किया है, सो सेविंग कितनी की है आपने? सेविंग इज 900. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज कैलकुलेटेड, दैट इज सेविंग. नाउ सेविंग you have, income you have, you can calculate APS, average propensity to save, and the formula for APS is saving upon income. Saving 900 we have calculated from the formula. Income already given 2000. The answer is 0.5. Okay dear student, so it's all about for your 4-mark question. Clear? So I hope you understand that thing. Tomorrow onward we will start our chapter number 8, and ultimately these kind of question also given in this chapter. Okay students, so both chapter allow us for the 4 marks. Clear? and a 6 mark question we have already, theory question we have already discussed in this chapter. Okay, derivation. So clear, dear students? So do your work on regular basis, and beta send me pic on the regular time before 2 p.m. so that I can easily maintain the record that how many students in 12th commerce doing their work on time or in regular basis. Okay, dear student? So stay blessed, stay at home.